Give a brief account of a structure and development of oezinum in oedogenum. In oedogenum, the oezinum is a uh, specialized large rounded, large rounded oval female gametosium that contains a singles non-motile egg oospores. मार्क समझ देखे हैं नॉन मोटाइल एक ओस्पोर नॉन मोटाइल एक ओस्पोर इसके बाद फिर क्या है नॉन मोटाइल एक ओस्पोर its developments involves transformations of a vegetative cell contents and the formations of a resistive the transformations of the resistive transformations of a resistive sport for fertilization. A structure of oogenia, shape and size. Mature oogenium is distantly salon and appearing round, oval and elliptical and is noticeably larger. Normal vegetative cells of the filaments. Cell wall. It has a cell. It has a cell. It has a cell wall. It has a cell walls. It has a cell walls. Continuous within the filaments and exit as specialized as moles and colorless are known as recessive spots or spots. Recessive spots or spots. ठीक ना recessive spots or recessive spots or spots. Recessive spots or recessive spots or spots नाले which develop just before to allow the entry and provide a sperms है ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या से contents oospores content oospores egg है ना content oospores. The entire protoplast of the oogenium transforms into a single non-motile egg oospores है ना egg oospore और egg oospore इसके बाद बताते हैं कैसे egg oospore है ना तो egg oospore the oospores is a rich materials. The oospore is rich specific material. Specific material initially green due to the chlorophyll and brown initially green due to the brown due to later becomes that's reddish or brown after fertilizations contains a single large nucleus and nucleus move to the periphery as it's mature है ना and as it's mature. इसके बाद फिर बताते हैं कैसे है. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं supportive cells in many species the oezinum and receptants are smaller. Receptants are smaller. Vegetative cells called supporting or subcalatory. And development of the oezinum. Development of the oezinum. The development of the oezinum is a several steps process. First में क्या से oezinal mother cells. Any vegetative cell, any vegetative cells of any vegetative cells of a filament. Any vegetative cells of a filament can act as an original mother cell. इसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं, इससे क्या सीखा, डिविजन. The original mother cells divides. Original mother cells divides. The original mother cell divides transversely in equal or large. The upper cells develops into the originum. Lower and much lower and smaller, and develops into the originum. Suffocating and suffocating cells. In most species, the mother cells becomes the directly. ठीक ना. इसके बाद अच्छा ना, maturation and enlargement. The upper cells enlarge. Upper cells enlarge and swelling into a characteristic spherical or mature ovum. Mature ovum in oval in mature in a shape. Over mature in a shape. ठीक ना. इसके बाद है क्या चीज़ है, क्या चीज़ दिया हुआ है, आई थिंक ओएस पर खाली ना. ओएस पर फॉर्मेशंस. ओएस पर फॉर्मेशन क्या दिया हुआ है, the entire protoplast, the entire क्या से है, the entire the entire cytoplasmic content, protoplast of the genome and runs off different into the single and develop into a female gamete egg oospores, and the nucleus develops into the nucleus move into the periphery, and the oospores is slightly cataract from the original cells. ठीक ना. इसके बाद फिर जेफेनेजिमल सेल एंड रिसेसिव एस्पर्ट फॉर्मेशन है ना. small spore and small spore और क्या बोलते हैं, cataract small into the originum, cataract small and transverse leads into the originum, and transverse leads into the originum, and nucleus adjustment to the nucleus develop into the oospores. The recessive spores develop into the